Here we are on the Toronto GTA tile installers. Here we are in the process of a nice 9-foot ceiling shower, a nice 24 by 24 porcelain. Looks like marble, fantastic, nice custom gems here and tile around. It's huge, it's massive. This is the tile work of great installers. Those of you who are looking for Toronto GTA installers, give them a call at 416-937-8115. It is gorgeous. It's in stage 2. There's a couple of days of working here. We will show you step by step. In the earlier videos you saw before. Now it's in the middle stage, and we'll show you later with the completion, maybe with the glass. But again, we have marble 1 by 1 in the shower, duplicated in the ceiling, and basically looks nice. Very tight joints, straight, incredible. So again, if all of you who are looking for precision tile installations, give them a call at 416-937-8115, and they'll gladly give you a quote and get your tile work done. It is amazing, fantastic work. So homeowner is a contractor, he's a builder. This is actually his place, so feels comfortable with this company, and obviously we'll service all of you out there in the GTA Toronto, north of the city or east and west. Just give them a call, 416-937-8115, and in the middle there's a nice border going to be going in. It's going to look outstanding. Magazine, this will be on the home show video and in the magazine for pictures. So again, I'll let you guys all go. Give them a call at 416-937-8115 and take a look at their YouTube videos. There's probably about 28 of them showing you kitchen, bath, basements, shower, tub enclosures, kitchen, floors, hallway entrances, you name it. These guys can do it. Dry pack underneath these floors, heated floors with water system. Amazing. So take care, and we'll see you a little bit later on the finished products.